CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, is a global agreement between governments. It aims to protect wild animals and plants from extinction due to international trade. Purpose: CITES ensures that trade in wild animals and plants does not threaten their survival. Origin: the idea for CITES came in 1963 during a meeting of the IUCN, the World Conservation Union. Drafting the agreement: in 1973, representatives from 80 countries met in Washington, D.C. to finalize the text of the agreement. Official start: CITES officially became active on July 1, 1975. Languages: the original text of CITES is in 3 languages: English, French, and Spanish. All 3 are considered equally official. The convention is also available in Chinese and Russian. In the 1960s, the idea of regulating wildlife trade to protect species was relatively new. At that time, international discussions about such topics were just starting. Today, we know that this regulation is crucial. The international wildlife trade is worth billions of dollars every year, involving millions of animals and plants. This trade includes live animals, plants, food, leather, wooden instruments, timber, tourist items, and medicines. Some species are heavily exploited, and along with habitat loss, this trade can lead to their extinction. While not all species in the wildlife trade are endangered, it is still important to manage the trade to protect them for the future. Since wildlife trade crosses country borders, international cooperation is needed to prevent overexploitation. CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, was created to encourage this cooperation. Today, CITES helps protect over 40,000 species of animals and plants from being overtraded, whether they are traded as live animals, fur coats, or dried herbs. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species is an international agreement that countries and organizations can choose to follow. Countries that decide to join CITES are called parties. Even though CITES is a legally binding agreement, meaning that the countries have to follow it, it doesn't replace their national laws. Instead, it gives a set of rules that each country must follow. Each party has to create its own laws to make sure they follow CITES rules within their own country. CITES is one of the most widely supported conservation agreements, with 184 countries now being part of it.